Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get finance knowledge. Learning about finance doesn't have to be intimidating. We'll explore simple, effective methods to build your understanding, starting with the fundamentals. Begin by grasping core concepts like managing your budget and saving money. This foundational knowledge is crucial before diving into more complex financial topics. Our goal is to make finance accessible and easy to understand for everyone. A great way to start is by reading. Many excellent books simplify financial concepts for beginners, making them easy to digest. Complement your reading with articles from trusted financial news sources and blogs. These resources often break down current events and investment strategies into understandable pieces. Aim for content that explains the why behind financial decisions, helping you build a solid knowledge base without feeling overwhelmed. Online platforms offer a wealth of knowledge. Many universities and educational sites provide free or affordable courses covering various financial subjects, from basic economics to advanced investing. Educational videos can also simplify complex ideas visually, making them easier to grasp. Don't forget practical tools like budgeting apps and financial calculators. They help you apply what you learn directly to your own finances, reinforcing your understanding. The best way to solidify your finance knowledge is through application. Start by actively managing your own money, practicing budgeting, and tracking your expenses. Engage in conversations about finance with friends or mentors who have more experience. This practical engagement, combined with a commitment to continuous learning, will steadily build your expertise. Remember, finance is an ongoing journey, and consistent effort leads to lasting understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.